General Science Standard 8 Chapter 5 Inside the Atom Exercise. Question number 1. Answer the following. A, B, C, D, Question number 2. Give scientific reasons. A, B, C, D, Question number 3. Define the following terms. A, atom, B, isotope, C, atomic number, D, atomic mass number. E, moderator in nuclear reactor. Question number 4. Draw a neat label diagram. Number 1. Rutherford's scattering experiment. B, Thomson's atomic model. C, atomic mass, electronic configuration of magnesium. D, diagram of argon, atomic number. Question number 5. Fill in the blanks. A, B, C, D and E. Question number 6. Match the pairs, group A and group B. Question number 7. Deduce from the datum provided. Project. Explain the atomic model using the materials such as old CD, balloon, thread and marbles. Thank you. See you in next video.